Peter, are you on?
Yes. Good morning,
Yes.
guys.
Okay. Yep. So Peter is going to be taking over for the rest of the time to the guys.
Thank you, Wagner. Before we start the Notebook LM training with Harrison, I just wanted to briefly go over some of the highlights that we'll share. So starting yesterday, student loans, according to studentaid.gov, is now collecting payments. And I'm already seeing clients receiving credit scores below 60 to 100 points starting yesterday. So if you go to my Threads account, what I'm trying to do later is to post something that I want to share. If I have more likes on that content, I'll try to share with your teams, with all of us. So the client with 760 FICO score now receives 645. Because of the urgency, now this person has to go through the rapid rescore and pay unnecessary fees to get into the payment plan. So we don't have to wait until the problems come up. Let's educate our buyers, educate our agents, any potential homeowners that this is happening and it's live starting yesterday. So how can GivingTree help for those who's trying to cash out or do a bridge loan like the ones that we shared last week and benefit off of it? Thankfully, Fannie Mae does not consider cash out LLPA for for refinance. So when you run the DU, don't run it as a cash out, run it as a limited cash out, and take the student loan as a paid off account. Then you'll be able to have eligible and approved within seconds. Okay, LTV is same as the rate and term, so we can go up to 90 plus, 97, 96, whatever you want to put it on. Of course, MI kicks in. So my exit strategy is to give them rate and term refi with highest LTV with chunks of MI because their credit is jeopardized, and then help them to exit out with multiple rate and terms. And the next time we do, we may get a rate and term with a PIW. Or when we have appraisal value or estimated value of the property under $1 million and loan to value under 89.9%, we'll be also expecting a PIW as well. So we don't have to worry too much. Let's give it a try and let the world know that this is available and it is live. Then we'll have another conversion. Number two, as Wagner mentioned, cold emails work. And this is one of the emails that one of my colleagues, Jacob Choi at Home Ready team, sent me. He has a listing. He got an email over the weekend saying that this lender wants their business and providing programs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at this. 40% down for primary, 50% down for investment with no doc. It's a joke. We have a change wholesale starting with 20% down. Whatever they give away, whatever they provide are not as good as what we can provide. Okay? So we don't have to be afraid of what they do. We just have to just copy and paste and we do the same thing. If you click one of the findings, you'll be able to see one of the random landing page that he created. It has no details. That's the point. We don't have to be perfectionist. We don't have to provide all the details. There's no rate. There's no underwriting guidelines. There's no eligibility checklist. Nothing. Just 3 lines. Okay? So I want all of us to be motivated that the market itself is slowing down, but it doesn't have to be our business. We can hit with rate and terms, cash outs on top of all these purchase loans. Okay? So, Brenda, I think, go ahead, Ragnar.
Yeah, if I could interject real quick. Guys, the cash out refinance for student loans, being able to transact that as a rate and term, that's really big, right? So any amount that you, where the borrower gets in excess of $2,000 is going to be considered a cash out, right? So with a rate and term refinance, you can't exceed $2,000, right? They're lucky to get that $2,000, anything on a rate and term. But on a cash out, right, anything over $2,000. Now, if if someone is looking to refinance their student loans, right, in amounts of 40,000, 100,000, 200,000, and they're paying what, 7, 8, 9, 10, even 11% that we're still seeing, that this could be a video short, right? These are all material that we can use as a loan office here. If you have trouble coming up with content, every Tuesday, Peter and I and the team, there's going to be something that you can take away to create a video. Something like, hey guys, you guys have student loans? Is your forbearance done? You guys are on a monthly payment again? Are you paying at 11% or 12%? Guess what? If you're a homeowner, we can refinance that into a low 6% or 7%. Or you could go a little bit more technical that, hey, did you know that if you refinance your student loan, it'll be considered a rate term refinance, not a cash out. You won't be hit with LLPAs, something like that, right? It could be a quick 30-second short. So Hannah, there's one for you right there, and for the rest of us as well. Just wanted to point that out.
Thank you, Ragnar. I'm running a loan sifter right now to show you what kind of a pricing difference that we will have. I'm going to use a 660 as a FICO score to give us a fair comparison of before and after, rate and term and cash out pricing. And again, we will have a reprice later today. So run it on your own and compare. So it will be a purchase, appraisal value of $800,000. Again, this link is available in the group chat. If you don't have any, Chi, please share it with all the team. Rate and term, 80% single family, 6.875. It was 1 point. Cash out, it's a conventional, 80%, 8.125. Do you see the difference? 1.25% is different. Therefore, we don't have to be shy. Monthly payment is $550 difference. It's a joke. If you don't see it, there's a huge flaw, significant flaw that we are going through. Okay, this is a big change that we are providing to the nation and the community. And as I showed you the cold emails, we're open in 13 states. If you send out cold emails to 13 listings, or possibly some of you, I know there's a title leads that you guys call out. Opportunities are everywhere, literally everywhere. So that's my 2 cents for today. Any questions with the content that I just shared? If not, Harrison, please take away.
One quick one, Peter. So you're saying, right, I just wonder kind of what Ragnar was saying. So rate and term, not cash out for these student loans, correct?
Yes.